Hello friends, my name is Emma. Welcome back in our YouTube channel, Tell Me Data. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel budget direct car insurance. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. You can cancel your budget direct car insurance policy without notice at any time. To cancel your car insurance policy, simply call Budget Direct Support Team at 1300 306 560. You will be connected to a representative and you can request them that you want to cancel your insurance plan. Provide them with your insurance policy account details and do as they say. You will now be able to cancel your budget direct car insurance. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can cancel your budget direct car insurance. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.